Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatsha welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatsha's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions of the subject Advanced Accounting for TY BCom Semester 5 on the unit number 1 Accounting Standards and IFRS. So, let's begin. So, the question number 1, it is accounting standards in India are issued by the dash dash, and the options are option A ICAI, option B BMCC, option C IT, option D IMA. And from this four, the correct option it is ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Question number second, the important objective of accounting standards is to the dash dash diverse accounting policies and practices at present in use in India. And here are the options. Option A harmonize, option B incomplete, option C complex, and option D compact. And the correct option it is option number A harmonize. So whatever the diverse policies, accounting policies are there, behind the accounting standard, the objective is to harmonize such diverse accounting policies, and therefore the correct option it is option number A harmonize. The next question number 3, accounting standard deals with dash dash. Option number A accounting for depreciation, option number B accounting for inventories, option number C cash flow statement, and option number D accounting for amalgamation. And the correct option it is option number C cash flow statement. Accounting standard number 3, that is dealing with the cash flow statement, therefore the correct option it is option number C. Next question number 4, dash dash statement exhibits the flow of incoming and outgoing cash, and here are the options. Option number A cash account, option number B fund flow statement, option number C cost sheet, and option number D cash flow statement. And the correct option it is option number D cash flow statement. Cash flow statement that describe and exhibits how the cash is coming and how the cash is going. Therefore the correct option it is option number D cash flow statement. Next question number 5, dash dash are the activities which result in change in size and composition of owner's capital and borrowing of the organization. And the options are option number A financing activities, option number B investment activities, option number C operating activities, and option number D funding activities. And the correct option it is option number A financing activity. Financing activities, these are the results of change in size and composition of owner's capital and borrowing of the organization. Therefore the correct option it is option number A financing activities. Next question number 6, allowances to employees is the example of option number A financing activities, option number B investment activities, option number C operating activities, and option number D funding activities. And the correct option it is the operating activities. Allowances to employee it comes under the operating activities. Next question number 7, dash dash is applicable for government grants. Option number A accounting standard number 10, option number B accounting standard number 11, option number C accounting standard number 12, and option number D accounting standard number 13. And the correct option it is option number C accounting standard number 12. So accounting standard number 12 that deals with the government grants. Next question number 8, government grants that becomes refundable should be treated as, and the options are option number A extraordinary items, option number B prior period items, option number C change in accounting estimates, and option number D change in accounting policy. And the correct option it is option number A extraordinary item. The government grants those becomes refundable, those should be treated as extraordinary items in the financial statement. Therefore the correct option it is option number A. Now the next question number 9, in financial lease as per accounting standard number 19, lease assets is shown in the balance sheet of option number A, lessee, option number B, lessor, option number C, buyer, and option number D, seller. And the correct option, it is option number A, lessee. So as per the accounting standard number 19, the lease asset in the financial lead should be shown in the balance sheet of the lessee. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A. Now the next question number 10. In financial lease, as per accounting standard number 19, lease asset, option number A is shown in balance sheet of lessee. Option number B is shown in balance sheet of lessor. Option number C not shown in the balance sheet of either. And option number D disclosed as contingent asset by the lessee. And the correct option, it is option number A is shown in the balance sheet of lessee. Next, question number 11. As per accounting standard number 19, dash dash lease risk and reward is not transferred to the lessee. So it is option number A, non-operating, option number B, operating, option number C, manageable, and option number D, refundable. And the correct option, it is option number B, operating lease. As per the operating lease, risk and reward is not transferred to the lessee as per the accounting standard number 19. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number B. Next, question number 12. IFRS stands for option number A, Indian Financial Reporting Standards. Option number B, International Financial Reporting Standards. Option number C, Income Financial Reporting Standards. And option number D, Instant Financial Reporting Standards. And from these four, the correct one, it is option number B, International Financial Reporting Standards. So the full form of the IFRS, it is International Financial Reporting Standard. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number B. Next, question number 13. AS dash dash focuses on accounting for leases. Option number A, AS 19. Option number B, AS 21. Option number C, AS 28. And option number D, AS 7. And here is the correct option. It is option number A, that is AS 19. Accounting standard number 19 that focuses on accounting for leases. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A. Now the next question number 14. Government grants may be related to option number A, specific fixed price. Option number B, revenue. And option number C, expenses. And last option number D, loss. And from these four, the correct one, it is option number B, revenue. So government grants, those are related to the revenue. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number B. Now the next question number 15. IFRS were issued by option number A, ICAI. Option number B, IASB. Option number C, it is IFS. And option number D, it is IRS. So from these four, the correct option, it is option number B, IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. That is IASB is the correct option. So the correct one is option number B. Then next, number 16. Dash dash refers to actual value of an asset. Option number A, maintenance value. Option number B, bonus value. Option number C, variable value. And option number D, fair value. And the correct option, it is option number D, fair value. So the fair value that refers to the actual value of an asset. So the correct one, it is option number D, fair value. Next, question number 17. IFRS 13 stands for option number A, operating segments. Option number B, financial instruments. Option number C, fair value accounting. And option number D, insurance contract. And from these four, the correct one, it is option number C, fair value accounting. So the IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standard 13, stands for the fair value accounting. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number C. Now next, question number 18. Carrying value is also called as dash dash value of asset. Option number A, fair. Option number B, current. Option number C, book. And option number D, market. And therefore the correct option, it is option number C, it is book value. Carrying value is also called as book value of the asset. Therefore the correct option, it is option number C. Now next one, question number 19. Dash dash substantially transfer all risk and reward to ownership of an asset to the lessee. And the options are Option number A, finance lease. Option number B, operating lease. Option number C, income lease. And option number D, profit lease. And the correct one, it is option number A, finance lease. In the finance lease, all the risk and reward related to the ownership is transferred in the hands of the lessee, and therefore the correct one, it is option number A. And now the last question, number 20. Government grant is accounted for on option number A, cash basis. Option number B, accrual basis. Option number C, income basis. And option number D, profit basis. And the correct option, it is option number B, accrual basis. So government grant is accounted in the financial statement on the basis, that is accrual basis. Therefore the correct option, it is option number B. So I request all of you students, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palaksha's Education Hub by pressing on the subscribe tab for such more videos. I will bring such more videos for you. So stay tuned with me and kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and also share this video. Thank you all of you.